Hi, deliver professional, engaging experiences with events in Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams keeps us engaged and connected where people and ideas meet and virtual events come to life. From webinars to town halls, all hands, large-scale events, and more, Teams lets you present like a pro to any audience from nearly anywhere. Host dynamic, high-quality webinars that drive deeper engagement and increase participation. Create a customizable experience that reflects your brand and vision. It's easy to set up. Interactive tools let you open the conversation, get reactions, generate new leads, and drive results. And with Teams Town Hall, you can inspire and foster community across your entire organization. Scale your reach with professionally produced, structured presentations, and engage with familiar faces, keeping those connections alive. Microsoft Teams connect with people, drive engagement, and inspire. Change together with Teams.